41, 42, 43, 44, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 1...
Alex, what's up, man? What's all the exercising? What's all the jumping jacks, the push-ups? What you doing, man?
Man, I'm getting ready. I'm ready to fight a spiritual battle.
Spiritual battle? You mean fight against Satan?
Yes, again, it's all this evil dominions.
Fight the good fight of faith, in other words.
Yes.
Alex, this is not how we fight the spiritual warfare. This is not how to fight the good fight of faith. I've got to show you from the Bible here. You know, of course, there is a battle. There's definitely a battle. Ephesians 6 says, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers and rulers of the darkness of this world. We stand against the wiles of the devil and all his tricks and schemes. But we don't prepare for battle by doing exercises and push-ups and jumping jacks. I want you to know that we prepare for battle by prayer and by studying God's Word, and by worshiping Him faithfully and gathering together with each other and encouraging one another. And so I tell you what, Alex, we're having a vacation Bible school coming up on June the 12th to the 15th. And this will be an excellent time to learn how to fight the good fight of faith and put on the armor of God. Do you think you can come?
I can come.
All right, that's June 12th to 15th, 7 o'clock each night at Midway Church of Christ. You be here.